Bitcoin trades above $23,000, Ether stays below $1,600. Australian regulators flagged FTX concerns months before collapse. Floki Inu DAO passes proposal to burn over $100 million worth of tokens. Tata Power partners with Contour for blockchain-based digital trade finance network. Heusen Paytm insider to hold musical concert on PartyNite Metaverse. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrency markets began to consolidate in the beginning of the week ahead of the FOMC meet to be conducted later in the week. After reaching its 5-month peak, Bitcoin dropped below $24,000 level. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us about how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1% at 32,920 points. The fall in cryptocurrency prices comes at a time when markets are getting ready to hear from global central banks, US Federal Reserve, Bank of England and other central banks. The Federal Open Market Committee is scheduled to meet later in the week, in which the Fed is expected to hike rates by 25 basis points, analysts believe. Investors will be looking for clues about future rate hikes while the fight against inflation is providing desired results. The two-day meeting will conclude with the central bank's Federal Open Market Committee announcing its latest interest rate decisions. Also, investors will keep an eye on economic growth outlook. The global cryptocurrency market capitalization was trading lower around $1.05 trillion, dropping 1.2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total crypto trading volume increased by 38% to stand at $55 billion. The US dollar index, which measures the US dollar against a basket of currencies, is currently at 101.70 points. US stocks futures fell after major benchmark averages finished the week higher as market participants monitored a deluge of earnings results ahead of a key policy decision from Federal Reserve officials. Dow Jones futures, S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures were each trading 0.1% lower. Bitcoin was trading at $23,265, down 0.5%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1%, trading at $1,587. BNB was down by 2% to trade at $307. Solana SOL was down 0.5% and was trading at $24.2. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $20.3, lower 1.7%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 3% to trade at $1.1. Cardano's ADA token was down by 2.4% to trade at $0.37. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 4% at $0.086. The euphoria with Elon Musk's tweet to eat a Happy Meal on TV if McDonald's accepts DogeCoin has died down. As we all know, Elon Musk has been a long supporter of DogeCoin and his fans call him Doge Father. Shiba Inu was trading down by 2.7%.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Australia's markets regulator internally discussed FTX's launch in Australia around March 2022, raising concerns around return on investment claims, according to a document by the regulator. 56 documents published by the Australian Securities and Investment Commission on Monday revealed that ASIC had flagged an article by the Australian Financial Review about FTX's Australia launch. The article had said FTX would allow traders to buy crypto assets with margin loans up to 20 times their investment. Since March 2022, ASIC had made inquiries with FTX Australia about the financial products offered by FTX Australia. The issues raised included pricing, FTX Australia's compliance with ASIC's CFD product intervention order and its onboarding of clients, an ASIC spokesperson said. FTX Australia called in administrators the process of handing over control to licensed insolvency practitioners hours before FTX filed for bankruptcy protection in the United States on November 11, 2022. Australia's government made moves to tighten safety around crypto shortly after. The exchange owes around 30,000 customers cryptocurrency or money. The Floki Inu community voted in favor of a recent governance proposal that sought to burn 4.2 trillion Floki tokens on a cross-chain bridge and reduce transactional tax. The proposal passed with 99.97% majority voting in favor of burning the bridge tokens, while 0.03% voted against the proposal, developers said. The Floki transaction tax will be lowered to 0.3% effective 8 p.m. UTC on February 3, while the 4.2 trillion tokens will be permanently burnt at 8 p.m. UTC on February 9, 2023. The scheduled token burn is worth over $100 million as of Monday, CoinGecko data shows. Burning tokens is a way of reducing supply, which subsequently adds value to each token as long as the level of demand remains the same. Tata Power has partnered with Contour, a Singapore-based digital trade finance network, to make its financial management process more robust and transparent. Contour's network uses decentralized technology to bring together companies, banks, and ecosystem partners on to a trusted network and help create a streamlined digital trade finance workflow, a statement said. Manual and paper-based processes in finance slow trade growth by creating additional complexity and costs. The integration with Contour enables trusted data flow across the world's trade routes and fragmented ecosystems, the statement said. Tata Power is implementing an end-to-end digital letter of credit settlement process by joining Contour's network. The company will gain from using a digital LC, as it will enable it to present documents in less than 24 hours as opposed to the usual process of 5 to 10 days, said the statement. Heusen, India's dressing brand from Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited, enters the Metaverse as they set sail on a fantastical journey with a virtual musical concert in association with Indian pop band When Chai Met Toast. The lifestyle brand from Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited has teamed up with PartyNite Metaverse to create a virtual performance space for the immersive musical experience called Van Heusen Metaplay and has put together a full-length showcase of their merchandise. Viewers can RSVP on Paytm Insider and get ready to enjoy and experience the first of its kind Metaverse music concert in India. Once the registration is made on the Paytm Insider app, the consumers will receive an email with instructions and they will have to download the PartyNite app, log in and then enter the Van Heusen Metaverse experience to customize the avatar and attend the show slated to happen on 2nd of February 2023 at 7 p.m. And now let's go to Ruchi Sharma to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Polygon's native Matic token has increased by 8.3% overnight to $1.08, while the overall crypto market cap has remained above the critical $1 trillion mark. Polygon is now the 10th most valuable cryptocurrency with a total market capitalization of $9.6 billion. Prior to its rebranding, Matic Network was primarily concerned with using so-called plasma chains to boost Ethereum's throughput. The proof-of-stake network is currently experimenting with several different roll-up solutions, including both optimistic and zero-knowledge variants. Polygon has already outperformed this year, rising roughly 42% since the start of the year, but it is still roughly 63% below its December 2021 high of $2.92. Polygon was trading at $1.16, up 0.75% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $10 billion. Uniswap won the OX Monaco Battle of Titans Web3 Dev Gaming competition. Matchbox DAO, a Starkware-based on-chain gaming ecosystem, hosted the event, which was streamed on Twitch and featured teams from Web3 companies such as Ledger, Polygon, Uniswap, Near, Yield, Guild Games, Chainlink, OKX and Bybit. Finalists included Uniswap, Polygon and security auditors OtterSec. The three faced off in a fiercely contested final with Uniswap emerging victorious. Developers competed in a Mario Kart-style racing game that rewarded technical abilities, with each team's cars representing a small contract. It was described by Matchbox DAO as the Web3 version of chess and poker. The Uniswap team announced plans to open source its winning code for OX Monaco. Uniswap was trading at $6.87, up 1.23% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $5 billion. Aptos recently concluded its NYC event in partnership with KYD Labs. On-chain metrics backed up the massive price increase, but the indicators were bearish. Aptos has surprised the crypto industry in recent days with massive price gains. APT's price has risen by nearly 40% in the last 7 days, and it was trading at $17.63 at the time of writing, with a market capitalization of more than $2.8 billion. While APT continued to rise, Aptos recently co-hosted an event with KYD Labs. Aptos and KYD Labs collaborated to create the future of fan loyalty through live event ticketing. Aptos recently completed its NYC event in collaboration with KYD Labs. On-chain metrics backed up the massive price increase, but the indicators were bearish. Furthermore, APT was trading at $18.13, down 1.28% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $2 billion.
Thank you, Ruchi. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.